Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR Mini and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the ZEP application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices. And on that list, and there should be AMAZFIT GTR Mini if your watch is paired with your iPhone. And next to it, there should be info icon. Tap on it. And here you should see this, the option called Share System Notifications. And this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. It's possible you're missing this option, it's not here. If it's not here, close the settings. Open the ZEP application on your iPhone. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on devices or device icon, this one right here. It should bring you to the device page, and on it there should be your AMAZFIT GTR Mini. Now scroll down, tap on notifications and reminders. And here, for example, let's tap on app notifications. And if they're turned on, turn them off and turn them back on. And once you turn them back on, wait for a couple of seconds and you should see some pop-ups about the permissions. And once you see the pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications, allow all of the required permissions and then close the app. And let's go back to settings. Bluetooth, tap on the info icon and you should see this option out here and make sure it is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here find the ZEP application, it's gonna be at the bottom of course because it's Z. And make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled right here in this menu. Once it is enabled, close the settings and now we can go back to our ZEP application and open it. In the ZEP application, we should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. And here you should see AMAZFIT GTR Mini again. Now scroll down, select the notifications and reminders. Tap on it, of course, and here we have app notifications, incoming calls, incoming SMS, and incoming email. First, let's tap on app notifications. And here we have list of applications on our iPhone we can enable the notifications for. And how it works is basically if you turn on notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. It will only be visible on your iPhone. So turn it on for the apps you like. Also, what is worth to mention is that, as you can see, we have only a couple apps on the list. And how it works is basically after you install ZEP application on your iPhone, and you pair your watch with the app, this list will fill in automatically with the applications you receive the notifications from on your iPhone. So if something is missing and you receive the notification from that application, it should appear after some time once you receive some notifications from that app. And once it appears, you can enable it to receive the notifications also on your watch. Okay, let's go back and tap on incoming calls. And here we can turn on the notifications for the calls on your iPhone. So if somebody calls you, the watch will vibrate and it will display the contact information if you turn off or turn on this option. And you can also enable the delay for it. So if you turn on the delay, the watch will wait a certain amount of time before it will alert you about the call. And you can tap on set delay right here and set the delay to something like, it goes from 3 seconds up to 30 seconds. So set it to something you like. Okay. And then we have incoming SMS. This is for the messages and you can turn it on or off. And finally we have the incoming email. You can then again turn it on or off. And once you're done with the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we should receive the notification on our watch. Let's check it out. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone, and if we cap the screen on our watch, it's also here. which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.